Hello and welcome back to Thompson Leisure. Today I am going to show you a brand new Rapido i96. Look at this lovely beaut. Now it does have the all black pack, so you'll see the nice black lettering here. Lovely alloy wheels there. That is your gas locker. And of course this comes with an Alco chassis that stretches all the way through to the other side. Moving down to your large garage just in here. Of course, that is your removable carpets just there, and down to the side is your outside shower point. This is a height adjustable bed just here, and that can move up as far as you need or down to that height as well. Round to the back, you have your reverse camera and then the lovely Ultimate Line graphics, because that is what this is. This year, the Distinction i96 is a Ultimate Line. Let's hop inside. So here we are on the inside of the i96, this being your main living area. That table does fold across full, and you'll see the lovely leather upholstery just here. I will just add in text what this is so that I can't get it wrong. Of course, these are swivel seats, and that just glides around, locking into place whenever you're ready to drive. You do have a multifunctioning steering wheel here with your radio controls, and then across to your multimedia system just here. Aircon, different USB ports, the original USB and then the new USB 2 port, and then your 12-volt plug-in just there. Now this is an automatic, and as you see it does have the 9-speed automatic gearbox. Now as I mentioned outside, this is an Ultimate Line, and you do see that across the stitching just here. Real nice. Now, just above me is the first and second berth of this belt. I'm just going to turn these chairs around, get them in position. Now, with this being a new vehicle, you will see this lovely smooth finish just on the wooden handle here for that top bed, and you just pull it towards you and down smooth the whole bed goes. It's lovely and spacious and airy in there, and it's really nice having that skylight just above the bed as well to bring light in. And then whenever you're ready, up it goes. Now, what's great about this motorhome is all of the storage. It's just every inch of the vehicle is used. Storage over here, and then bringing you to your kitchen, which also has a ton of storage. Leading into your kitchen then, you do have your lovely sink just here, and your 3 gas hob just there as well. Again, tons of storage the whole way down through them cabinets. Over here you do have your TV bracket point, just there. And then above you have your combined oven and grill here. And feeding down from that, your freezer and fridge. So this is a Dometic 3-way fridge freezer. And then let's go further back. So we are now entering your toilet shower area. They are separated, so your toilet door, it can actually be used as a privacy door. So if you do have visitors staying in your first and second berth, you can have that kind of barrier there. So starting with your shower, so you do have this lovely full length shower. You will see the little door there. I'll explain that a wee bit more, and a nice little ledge as well. So this year Rapido has changed the design of the shower door. It is a magnetic strip that just clicks in place, simple as, and it's a real nice and smooth motion. It also comes with this little locking belt, so whenever you're travelling, you know that your door is going to be secure and it's not going to rattle or break in any way. And over to your toilet, lovely sink, nice holders here for toothbrush, toothpaste, whichever you prefer, and then of course your cassette toilet below me. I just want to show you this mirror, it's very unique. So you might spot my camera woman in the mirror, that is the lovely Jordan. The way that this mirror works is very unique to any other motorhome. You can open either side of these mirrors, and then you can actually move the mirror itself. So if you want to store in this full area here, you can. And then whenever you want to access things on this side, you have access to that as well. So really, you're using all the space provided in the van. And then when you're done, back it goes. And now to the master bedroom. You will see that was a lovely privacy door. So as I said before, if you do have guests, you can use your bathroom door, but for that extra element of privacy, you can also use these lovely folding doors, and that way each person has their privacy. Let's go into the master bedroom. Here we are in the master bedroom. Lovely. It is a Comfort Bultex, which is standard in Rapidos, and this is a double mattress. If you just want to glide down, and you can see that, you have your double layer just there, so extra comfy. I highly recommend it. I think it's better than my own bed at home. So of course that is not a usual lying position, so you can pull it down whenever you're ready to sleep. Really, that folds up to give you extra space around the bed whenever you are, you know, putting your clothes away, whenever you want to walk around the bedroom, and then whenever you're ready to sleep, you just fold it down. But if you want to push it back up, just like that, up it goes. And no real strength needed. It is a nice smooth mechanism. Now, if you're not familiar with this layout, this is a height adjustable bed. I did show you that on the outside, but I just wanted to elaborate on that again. So this here is the mechanism to adjust your bed here, and it can rise up or it can go down, whatever you need for your garage space or for your comfort space in here, whichever height you prefer, that's how that works. Just over here, your Elddis heating system. So it's great that you can adjust this from your bed. So if you start to get a bit of a chill in the middle of the night, you can just dial it up and back your heating turns back on again. So there we have it, a brand new Rapido i96 with a height adjustable island bed. If there is anything else you'd like me to talk about, any technical details or anything at all, if you, I don't know, want me to show you inside any other vehicle, please drop me a message or pick up the phone and speak to me. You can contact me directly, marketing@thompsonleisure.com. You can call me on 028 9269 999 or leave a comment under this video, drop a direct message to us on our social channels, and I will pick up everything, and I'll see you in the next video.